Hey guys, it's Crazy World, and today I'm going to teach you how to make one of these cute little bottle caps like this. So let's just get started with the tutorial. So you're only going to be needing a few basic things, but the main thing you're going to be needing is Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, and it looks like this, and this is what I use to get that resin-like appearance. So yeah, you can use that, and I got this at Hobby Lobby, or if you can't find that, then you use this, and this is Glossy Accents, and it's basically the same thing. But I'm going to be using this, so I'll show you how to make the bottle caps. So the first method you can use to make these is by drawing, like I did with this little bunny bottle cap. So for that you're going to need some heavy duty cardstock and a circle template. If you don't have a circle template, then mark an inch across this way, an inch across that way, and then use a compass to complete your circles, and you can cut out your circle and you'll have a little circle template. So I'm just going to use the 1-inch one, and then take my pencil and then just mark that all the way around. And this is just a guideline for where you're going to be drawing. And then you can go ahead and draw your image. Okay, so now I finished drawing my image, which is a little lemon head from my avatar. I'm going to outline it in black pen. I'm using a Pigmo Micron. I really like these. And now that my image is outlined, I'm just going to color it in. And now that my image is all drawn, I'm just going to cut it out. I actually have a little punch to do this. This is a 1-inch punch. And I'm just going to use this just to get a perfect circle, or you could just cut it out with scissors. And now I get to do the fun part, which is putting it in the bottle cap. So I'm just going to grab a bottle cap, and then I'm just going to get my Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. And don't shake it or else you'll get air bubbles. And then I'm just going to put a thin layer on the bottom of this. And then add my image. And then just press it down slightly. And then I like to let this set for about 30 seconds before I add my top layer. Okay, so it's been about 30 seconds and I'm just going to add my top layer. Okay, and you're done. So it's really simple. That's how you do it with the drawing method, and you can let this sit for about 3 hours, it says in the bottle. And it looks cloudy right now, but it'll dry completely clear, and you'll have something that looks like this. So yeah, that is the first method of doing this, and that is using a picture that you draw. Another method of doing this is using stickers and paper. So here I have some scrapbook paper, and as you can see I coated it with 2 layers of Mod Podge, because if you use it plain, then it'll, like, the Mod Podge will soak through the paper and it'll give you some weird looking spots which you don't want. So I'm just going to punch out a 1-inch circle of this, and then I'm just going to remove it. And then I'm just going to place it in a bottle cap. Same method we did using the picture, just a thin layer on the bottom first. And then placing our scrapbook paper in the middle, pressing down slightly, and then just let this sit for about 30 seconds. And I'm just going to place it in here. Okay, and you can also use paper stickers for this. There's no need to coat those with Mod Podge. And then just cover the top with your Dimensional Magic. And there you go. There's no need to cover the sticker completely with the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic unless you would like the entire top to be completely flush. So yeah, that's how you would do with this sticker. And again, let this dry for about 3 hours and it'll dry completely clear. And now I have a third method for you guys, and you can use a bottle cap again. And I have a little 1-inch circle of scrapbook paper, and again I coated it with Mod Podge. And then just do a thin layer on the bottom as usual. Place in your selected paper, and then press it down slightly. And then I'm just going to use a little polymer clay piece for this one. So in this case I'm using this little gingerbread man. And I'm just going to put that right in there. So to attach this, I am just going to actually use a little bit of this Dimensional Magic, I think. Just a little bit. And then place it in the center. and then press it down a little bit. So it looks like that. And then I'm just going to cover the top of this with this. Okay, and there you go. Now this one looks very silly right now because it's totally cloudy, but it'll dry clear. And yeah, you can just use any little polymer clay, cabochon, or whatever you have, and you can put it in there, and that would look really cute. So I'll show you guys this one when it dries because it looks kind of silly right now because it's so cloudy. But that is our third method. And now for our final method, I'm going to use a printed image. So I have this really cool image here, and I'll just show you how to use this. So as usual, of course, I'm going to add a thin bottom layer. And then press our image in. And make sure you print your image on heavy-duty paper, heavy-duty cardstock, the same one you use for drawing. And then I'm just going to add a layer on top. And there you have it, your little printed image bottle cap. So this is a really cute and simple method. So those are the 4 methods that you can use to make your kawaii bottle caps, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And here you can see I have the finished ones here. So here I have the drawing one, and as you can see it dries with a nice shiny layer. Here's the gingerbread one, the sticker one, and the printed image one. And they all dry up really nicely and give a nice shiny effect. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you later. Bye!